Hey everybody, I have a nail haul today from Canwest Esthetics that I want to share with you. I'm really excited about some new products that I've never tried before, so I'm going to go through what I got and show you exactly the colors and what's involved in each kit. So to start with, I got Light Elegance. It's called Apex Acrylic Set, and it's a trial kit. I wanted to try this type of acrylic. I've used acrylic before, but it seemed to give me headaches, so I'm hoping this one will be better. I really wanted to try it because I have clients requesting acrylic, or at least acrylic as a base. So we'll give it a try, and I will then know if I'm gonna be using it or not. So anyways, in this kit is Light Elegance Air Bond, and that is an air drying bonding agent, and you would buff the nail and then you'd be applying this after you remove the dust before the acrylic goes on. Of course, there's the monomer right there, and it also comes with blush pink and clear acrylic powder, and it also has a brilliant white in it and also a cover pink. So there's the kit, and like I said, I'll be giving that a try and seeing if I like it. And also, because I got the acrylic kit, I got a round Sable acrylic brush, number 551, and this isn't the most expensive brush because I am just trying this acrylic. So if I decide that I want to use this acrylic, then I'll buy a more expensive acrylic brush, probably a Light Elegance one. So there's that. And then I did get another kit, and this is a gel kit, and I've always wanted to try the fusion gels. I do use the Canni gels a lot, but I just love trying new things, and I've always wanted to see what the fusion line is like. I hear good things about it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Anyways, this fusion kit comes with, it's called Cohesion Gription. So those are put on before you're applying the gels and the base. It has a pink base, it has a nude, it has Fusion 5, which is their builder, it has a white, and it has the Extreme Shine, which is their top coat. So I want to give that a try and see what I think of the fusion gels. I will be still using my Cannis all the time, but if I do like this, I might think about buying, because I do like having some professional gels as well around to use. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is the next thing I was pretty excited to get, were these Vetro gels. I hear they're a leaf gel, and I really wanted to give them a try. So the first one I've got is Rose Leaf. It's 966, and there it is. It's a rose gold color, very pretty. Okay, and the next one is Silver Leaf. There's the silver. And I also have, it's called Sunrise Leaf. Now, when I open this here, it's very similar to the Rose Leaf, but it's a more of a lighter, like more of a champagne-y color. So you'll see a little more silver in this one. So there's that one. And these all did have a seal on them. I took it off to video them for you so it wouldn't take so long. And I did swatch them, so I will show you here. This one is the Sunrise Leaf, and that's the one that's more silvery champagne-y, but yet still looks quite rose gold. And then this is the Rose Leaf. And then on this one, I have, this one is the Silver Leaf. And I'll show you this last, the one on the end here, which I haven't shown you yet. I bought another Light Elegance glitter gel. You know me, I love Light Elegance. And I wanted, it's called Ice Ice Baby. And I do have a silver one already, but this one has bigger chunks of silver. Look how pretty that is. So I wanted to try that one out. And like I said, that is the color or the sparkle that you see on this last one. Well, everybody, that is what I bought. That was my nail haul from Canwest Esthetics. And just so you guys know, you have to be a professional in order to order from them. You have to show your certification or your license. So not just anybody can order, because like I said, these are all professional products. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching my nail haul. Any questions, ask below, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.